In this video, we are going to use slow motion to verify, to test a function, to see whether this function works as we expected. For example, we have defined the function setupNest, and the key action inside this function is to ask patches with certain condition to be met, and if that condition is met, then the patch color will be changed. We want to see whether this function works as we expected. We can use slow motion. And we want to comment out the other functions, which we do not want to see at the moment. We only want to see setupNest. So we comment out the others. And then we go back to the interface. We will run the setup. However, if the speed is normal, look, we don't see much in action. So we need to do two more changes. One is put onTick to continuous, and then make it slow motion. And this time when we hit click setup, see, we see every patch will change the color by itself. Why is that? Because when we say ask patches to do something, it will ask every patch one by one to test whether this patch meets this condition. If yes, then we change this particular patch's color to violet. That's why we set one patch after another to change their color to violet.